guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my July reset. So it's currently June 29th. I literally didn't even know that. Oh my god. Wait, tomorrow's the last day of June and I have done zero preparation for July so far. So that's what this video is gonna be. We're gonna be spending the next few days together prepping and getting ready for July. July is like one of my favorite months ever because it's like the prime of summer and I love 4th of July and just like the vibes and everything are just so perfect. So I'm really excited, but there is definitely some prep that needs to happen before July comes. Okay, so first things first, I went through my closet like, I don't know, a few months ago, February maybe, I don't even remember, but I think it was literally like February, and I like filled a few garbage bags filled with clothes to get rid of and donate. But then I'm like, wait, why don't I just sell some of these? But I had that thought like 4 months ago, and so the bags of clothes have just been sitting outside my bedroom door for that long. And then today my mom was like, okay girl, you gotta like get rid of these bags, and I'm like, no, I know. Okay, and so these are the ones that I'm gonna sell along with like everything in there, but these are the ones that I don't need to like try on to take pictures in, and then these are the ones that I do. So that's what we're gonna start off with, because I just want to like start by deep cleaning my room, and this thing is like the biggest like issue right now. I just need to get rid of these clothes. So this is your sign to go check my Depop, because there's definitely a lot of these clothes still left on there. So go to my Depop, it's down below, and I'll also have it right here. Go to my Depop and check out the clothes that I'm selling. Okay, so now that we've gotten the deep cleaning out of the way, it's time for like my favorite part of each month, which is to reflect on the month prior and then make goals for this upcoming month. So I always do this in my journal, and for June I set goals, but then I also set healthy habits that I wanted to incorporate into my life. I'm not gonna like go over every single goal because it would probably like take a while. I'm just gonna like list the ones that I actually completed. So honestly, one of my biggest goals was to start off the month strong in my pre-calculus class that started June 10th, I think it was, and I've definitely done that. I still have 100 in the class, and it's been like 3-4 weeks since the class started, so I'm very proud of myself for that. I got monetized on YouTube, which was another goal. I read 5 books, and I got more into content creation on like other platforms like Instagram and YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. And then for the healthy habit, get back into a consistent skincare routine. Definitely did that. Less soda, absolutely did that. I had like gone from like ordering like a soda like anytime I would go out to eat to like getting like sweet tea instead. Something healthy with every meal, definitely did that. I made sure to have like a fruit or vegetable, whether it was like small or not, with everything that I ate. And unfortunately that is about all. So now it's time to do my July goals. So I'm actually gonna do what I did last time, where I do the July goals and then July healthy habits. Really liked doing that. So I love getting creative with this. This is your journal. Make it look like whatever you effing want. No one's going to see this. Have fun with it. Have fun. Do whatever you want with it. Be creative. I made my little July goals and then my July healthy habits page. So I'm actually going to type them out in my notes and then put them here so that you guys can like actually read them. But based on the goals that I've made, I want to make a little vision board, which is actually something that I was doing at the beginning of this year. I think I did it for like January, February, and March, but I stopped after that. I was making vision boards for each month, which would get me so motivated at the beginning of each month. And then I could just like look at them throughout the month and then like see all my monthly goals. And it really helped keep me motivated. So honestly, I don't know why I stopped doing that. We're gonna start back up doing that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Pinterest and I'm going to go through and find a bunch of cute aesthetic pictures that like match the vibe for July, match the vibe for this summer. And then I'm gonna take it into Canva to make a little vision board. Okay, good morning you guys. So it is now actually July 2nd, but there's still some prep that we need to do for July, and that is the planning part of this video. So I have my planner here and we're going to decorate it. I've been trying so hard to stay on top of using this planner. In June I definitely got better at it, but in July I want to like actually use it like every day to write down everything that I need to get done, because it literally helps me be so productive. I just like need to stay using it, but I like to make it pretty because as you can tell it's just like a plain planner, so I just like to like do the outlines and everything in these colors. So as you can see, I've already like written down what's due like in my class, but I also just need to write down everything else that's going to be happening this month. Okay, so I finished up with all of the planning and writing everything into my planner. I always think that there's gonna be so much more to write down for the month, but there's like never like anything. But being that I'm all done prepping for July and it's actually already July, it's July 2nd, I am going to go ahead and end this video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little reset routine. If you like videos like this, I do have a playlist for routines and stuff like that. And make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys so soon. Bye!